Hello, welcome to another Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. You can find me on Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube at the following places. This is the June 2019 Birchbox. It's all about self-care and how this is not a beauty box. So we got like fun little self-care tips. We have a nice little pamphlet about Birchbox and a poem, and we can get all into that in a little bit. So it's the June 2019 Birchbox. I love that they go all out and beyond for Pride Month every year. This one's cool. It's got a little tassel. So excited for that. And it came with, this is not a beauty box, which just talks about Birchbox. When they started, they set out to make the world of beauty simple, but then what they've learned along the way and how to personalize the boxes, like with customization and curated boxes. And then they left a little poem called You, written by Shabazz Larkin. This is for you. The best you, the joyful you, the powerful you, the confident you, the well-adjusted, just like your parents always hoped for you, the awkward but lovable you, the coy you, the you that you miss, the kicking ass and taking names you, the you always wanted to be, the you never thought you could be, the you that sits in the mirror waiting for time to see you. You may be out of moisturizer, but you're not out of time. Give a little to yourself, because the best you requires a little time with you. For once, it's all about you. Yay. Then we also have a little self-care tips, because self-care is different for everyone. It's important is finding what matters. Some suggestions. Take a walk around the block. Actually see your friends. Read a book. I probably need to do that. Learn something new. Plan some time off for 3 months from now. I'm actually going more than 3 months. I'm trying to plan a trip to Australia in January. Yay! Where I will wear sunscreen. Treat yourself to a workday breakfast out. Go to a farmer's market. If you know of one in Chicago, let me know. Be in nature. Create a wind down routine, which is something I've been doing lately. Get some actual sleep, 7+ hours, which I do. Find exercise that brings you joy. Moisturize your hands, which has been part of my wind down routine. Give yourself a quick facial massage and dance around your living room, or if you're me, your studio apartment. Now, let's get into the products with the cute little box. Womp, womp, womp. So we have, whoop, after I drop something, the Coola Classic Body Sunscreen, SPF 30. It's tropical coconut. Wear the sunscreen. It's on the card. So I've been doing so much better about wearing sunscreen this summer. Haven't gotten pink yet, which is important because I am pale. Then we have Luxie Beauty. Oh my gosh, Luxie Beauty is like my favorite brushes. I have like a whole entire set that I have curated over several Birchboxes, Ipsy bags, and going to BeautyCon, where I got a whole slew of them in my VIP bag, like a whole set. So I love Precision Shader, yes, which we're actually going to use here in a second. We have the Oribe Balm Door Heat Styling Shield. Heat activated polymer technology powers the styler that protects against thermal damage. I love me some flat iron, so I'll definitely be using that. And we have Peter Thomas Roth Anti-Aging Cleansing Gel. It's an anti-aging facial cleanser with a mild exfoliating acids to clarify skin, detoxify pores, and reduce fine lines. Then we have, oh, I'm so excited for these because I am doing a modeling convention next week, and you can bet your butt I'm going to be wearing these on the train on my way to the convention before hair and makeup each day. They are baggage claim gold eye mask. They help soothe, hydrate, and depuff. And another thing to depuff is if you wake up with puffy eyes, maybe like get yourself like a bigger pillow and elevate your head a little bit. That actually helps. Then finally we have a Winky Luxe Latte Kitten eyeshadow. It's a shimmery champagne eyeshadow. I'm going to use the shader here. Whoop. 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 There we go. A little shimmer. And that, my friends, is the June 2019 Birchbox, which is all about self-care. Until next time, stay beautiful.